Hello, we're gonna talk today about all the modify tools in Revit. Offset. You start by selecting the wall, then press offset. Then write here the distance you want to offset. Then click. Here you control the offset by clicking at the inner or the outer edge of the wall, like this. Rotate in Revit. First select the wall, then click on rotate. It rotates around its center. Then write the exact angle you want to rotate about. Here again like this. And do rotate and copy at the same time by press on copy. Then rotate like this. Rotate, copy. Mirror in Revit. First select the wall, then press mirror, then choose the axis you want to make the mirror around. If you want to draw the axis, press mirror, draw an axis, then choose the wall, press it, then write the distance you want to have the axis at, then click. Look at the distance. Trim and then extend in Revit. First select the wall you want to extend, like this, then trim. If you want to extend without trim, then you should press this. First select the base wall, then the extended wall, like this. If you want to make multiple extended walls at the same times, first select the base wall, then drag the extended walls like this. Copy and grab it. We will click on the wall, then press copy, then click on the wall again, then write the distance you want. You should add the wall thickness to the clear length you want. When you select constraints, the copied wall shall be copied vertical and horizontal, like this. It moves vertical and horizontal. If you want to copy multiple number of walls, so you should press on multiple, then write the distance. Again, write the distance. We'll talk about move and align in Revit. First select the wall, then press move. The other walls aren't separated, they move with the moved wall. If we press constrain, the move shall be vertical and horizontal only. If you want to move the wall separately, we shall press on this join. The wall is moving without being attached to any. We can also move to any other using the arrow in the keyboard like this. After selection, then moving with arrows. It can also move by click and drag like this. If we press Ctrl while dragging, then it shall be copied like this. We will speak about alignment. We shall select the wall first, then press on the other wall, select the wall, the other wall, like this. Thanks, subscribe for more videos.